Chris Craft has been America's boat builder since 1874. It represents a genuine series of values to which we adhere today. There's not a square inch on the product that hasn't been thought about and considered. The boats that we build reflect our vision of how a boat should be built. Finding the best materials, proving the best construction methods, continuing evolving the product with the latest and greatest technology that's available so that we stay at the forefront, which is something our customers expect. You know, it's in our nature. We're makers. We like making things. We like controlling it. We like instilling the passion for quality in other people. Each one of our boats is unique. If you follow the crowd, you get no further than the crowd.